Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to get on to Zoom. So if you haven't clicked the link on the email that I sent, just type in Zoom into Google and come down to the download bit. This is for computers, laptops, things like that. You're looking for this top one, Zoom client for meetings. You click download. You save it on your computer, your hard disk. You click on the download. And it's automatically downloaded on this. So the next stage then is actually sign in. It's actually signed me in automatically. So if I sign out, it'll ask you then to sign up for free. So type up sign up for free, it'll open up a new page. Type in an email address that you use. Or you can sign in with Facebook or Google. So you don't have to subscribe to the email list. Undo that. Then come over and undo your email. Asking you to activate the account. So this isn't the email I would normally use with Zoom. So just click that to activate. And it's a matter then of putting in a first name, last name, putting in some kind of a password, and continuing. You can skip that step. It gives you a personalized meeting room URL, which is for yourself. If you want to set up meetings with someone else, you would go on, and the easiest way you can schedule to go along with a calendar and send out invites to people to join a meeting. But what I've been doing for the past year and a half at least is I just copy that link and just send that link out, and I just make sure I'm on at the time that I say that I'm on for the meeting. So that's kind of like your phone number for using Zoom. So if you click that, and this is what will happen if anybody sends you a link. So if I send you a link then to join a Zoom meeting, it'll send out a link. You tap that link, it'll open up a window like that, and then because you have the software already installed, this next window comes up. So it'll tell you that this personal meeting room, that's my ID. I can join with the audio, so that means no webcam at all. I can share a screen and invite others. So it's just checked that the audio is connected. So you can test the speaker and the microphone. I heard a ringtone, and I'm just speaking on it. And it heard a replay. So that's its finished setup. So it now recognizes your audio and your microphone's working. When you sign into Zoom online, you'll notice in this bottom left hand corner you're automatically unmuted. So if you want to speak, anytime you would like to speak, you have to untick this. When you see this wee green boy jumping up and down, that's whenever you know you're going to be heard by the person on the other side. Once you finish speaking, then it's just a matter of tapping on mute. You can also use your spacebar, so if you're only going to butt on to say something for a wee second or two, you can use your spacebar, press and hold that. You can talk for as long as you have your hand on the spacebar, let go of that, and as soon as you take your hand off, that mutes you again. Then to start by video, you can click your video, and if you have more than one webcam installed, you can choose which webcam you'd prefer to use. So that's it basically set up on a computer. what I'll do now is I'll set it up on a mobile phone. So mobile phone, same idea. You go into Google, type in Zoom, come down to the download page, press download. Now depending on your phone type, it'll automatically come up and say which one to use. So I'm using download from Google Play. It'll ask me to open up Google Play. I tap install, and as soon as I do that, it unhitches me from the computer. Smart View. So it should come up again now. So now that that's installing, it's just a matter then of opening the app. And again, just go through the same sign up process. Your name, your email, your last name, agree to the terms and conditions. It'll ask you to verify your email, and it'll take you through the same steps. So again, you go and verify the account, which I can do. It's just asking me to sign in. So I'm now signed in. I'll delete this account once I've done it because I have a paid account. Just makes it easier for the GDPR carry on. So I can now sign in. So again, you can just sign in by tapping Google or Facebook. So this is now it open. Now what would happen is, once I send the email out that has the link on it, if you're on your mobile phone, go back into the email, tap on the link, and it'll automatically open up the call for you. So I'll just do that now actually. Just give me a second. And now on the phone, so it's asking now to access microphone, which you allow, or your video recorder, allow that. And you can choose to join with your video, or you can choose without video. So I'll just go without video for now. It comes up for me here to admit the other person, and now it's asking do you allow audio. And so the layout on this one is slightly different. So if you want to mute yourself or unmute yourself to speak, you select the use of the device audio. So once you've tapped that, down in the left hand corner again you've got your microphone, and beside that start video. So it's the same idea. If you tap the video, you're able to speak or be seen, and if you just tap the microphone beside it, I won't do it again because it'll just echo here. Tap that and it'll allow you to speak. So when you come into a meeting, make sure that it's sitting at red, and that's whenever you need to speak. If you're doing your 1 minute or something like that, just press that. So that's the tour of that, and once the meeting's over, I'll be able to end it on my side, but you can also press leave at the very top as well and confirm leaving the meeting, and that's the meeting over. So that's how you use Zoom on a mobile phone. So I think that's it. I would recommend people do that before they start. If you haven't used Zoom before, that's the process to go through, and I would do that now when you've received the email. Just give yourself an extra 5 minutes before the calls to start, just to make sure that you've plenty of power in your laptop. If you're using your laptop, your mobile phone, make sure that if you have a mobile phone, make sure it's resting up against something. You don't really want to be holding your phone in your hand for that hour, and have a pen and piece of paper handy to take any notes, and bring a coffee. And I think that's everything. So thanks very much.